Hey, all you peeps and pooches. Bern here coming to you from inside the balanced doghouse as I prepare to let Nana in. However, she understands that she needs to wait to go through a doorway. And this gives me an opportunity to do a little snow removal in the outside foyer before she comes in. And to do so, I use one of two tools. For her, just a dust brush, and I brush over top of her and down her chest because her fur does not accumulate snowballs of any kind. Miss Ruby, however, does have her fair share, and whisks are great to be used on the chests and down the legs where snowballs accumulate so that you don't have to have all the snow come inside with you. Good girl, Nana. Stand. Here, Nana. Good. Whoa. Good whoa. Good girl. Yes. Good. Here. Good. Whoa. Good whoa. Good whoa. So, folks, whether you realize it or not, training your dog goes beyond just sit, come down. When done properly and effectively, it'll make your lives better all around. This is Bern. Miss Nana just checking in and going back outside from the Balanced Doghouse. Hope you've all had a dog-filled snow day. Ciao for now.